Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing video.
No.
So today we're going to be unboxing a big ass NERF. So I need like a pen or something.
It is the NERF Elite Retaliator. So
Retaliator?
yeah, so this is all that it comes with. Has a stock. It comes with this is all that it comes with, right?
Stuff.
So show it to the like flip it around. This is probably the best Nerf gun that we have out of all of these.
There is a $40 one that I really wanted. This is only $25. I'll get that one next time.
Look at that. That's amazing.
Okay, so let's unbox this bad boy.
Ooh, I'm getting so intense.
Oh, and there's a surprise after. Oh, that opened easier than I thought.
We might be using this in the next video. Who knows? Oh, here comes the bad
boy.
Yo.
Oh, look at this bad boy.
What?
Oh yes, look at that bad boy.
Yo, actually, hold on.
Yeet!
Hold on. I just want to get... Yo, this is thumbnail material right here. This is like a thumbnail material. But we need to get the gun out so we can get the picture for the thumbnail. Like, you know? Here's the above shot of him just...
Ow.
How would you do that?
No, I hurt my...
Would you like some help?
No.
You got this?
I'm Gucci, man.
Yo, he's just going at it. So they got... So here, I'll show the box while you unbox all the other stuff. It comes with barrel extension, a stock, a 12 dart clip for all the Nerf like darts that it comes with, and then it has a drop grip, which is actually really cool because I think you can use this on all the other stuff as well. So that's really good. Are you having some trouble there?
No.
Use the key. Yeet. So that's the stock part, right? Yeah, that's the stock. Wait, and there's the darts. I will take the darts from you if you actually want to. Actually, while you're at it, get the magazine out. I'll put the darts in the clip for you. Oh! Here.
No, leave it.
Wait, are we gonna put everything together then? Is that it?
It just slides out then.
Wow. Oh wait, everything just slides out. That grip looks really nice and well made. Here we go. Here's
all
that.
Gone.
Yeet. Now it's time to
assemble this bad boy.
So let's see the main gun. Just
I don't even
itself.
know how to get the trigger out. I don't have these guns.
Here you go. Would you like some help? You can hold it.
Record it. Because I'm not...
I know how to do it. Here. You ready?
Ask me what to click.
Here.
These?
That. You push that in. Push that in.
Oh, push it in?
Yeah, I think either that or out.
I think it's out.
Yeah. You want me to hold the gun so that you can do it?
Yeah.
Here. Hold it and here, I'll... Ready? Actually...
No, yeah, I think you have to hold the other one, too.
Yo, actually? How do you do this? I don't understand. Yo, it's a... What is it? It's cool. That's what it is.
I don't know how to get it out.
Jeez. Yo,
maybe that... Why did I throw the instructions? Please stop.
Hold up. Wait. Hold the camera while I do this. Here, just put it on me real quick. Hold up.
So he's trying to get it. Sorry for the light scene. It's not the best right now.
I don't understand how these kids do it. Oh my.
It's probably because it's brand new and it's stiff.
Yeah. Yo, but it's so cool. Hold up. Yo, that
such great filming there. I was like this the whole time.
Amazing, Evan.
Not the whole time. Here.
Actually, Yo, how do you... I don't understand these Nerf guns, bro. I mean, I'm so used to just, you know, these things. I'm so used to these where you just... There's a button at the back. You press it. What is it? You press, and then the clip comes out, and then boom, you have darts. But no, it's not like that at all. It's so much different. It's so much different.
So much harder.
Yeah. Yo.
Can we even get the magazine out?
Like that, put the darts in.
Like,
Yo.
I don't even think we're ever gonna get it out.
Feels bad. Yo, gets a new Nerf gun. Can't even like, what is it called? Yo, did did it come out? No, it didn't. Okay. Like, if only you would think that it would like pop out once you press the button or something.
Oh, I heard a noise. I heard like a
Here. There he is.
Let's go! I'm the man, bro.
Yo, this is
Hey, we got the clip out. I'm gonna start attaching the attachments, not the clip yet.
Yeah, we're not gonna put the clip in.
This in?
Actually, while you're doing that, I'm gonna actually put in the darts.
No, no.
Don't put the darts in. Why not?
Because I want to.
Do you know how to? Do you know? Ooh! Now it feels like an actual gun. So now all you do, do you know how to put that on?
I think it is this one.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Hey.
Can it go further than that?
Yeah, I can. Look at the box. Look at how the box has it.
I don't know.
Oh,
I got it. No. Oh, whoopsies.
You don't know what? Yeah, I think you have it on. Oh yeah, I think you're supposed to attach. Yeah, here. Flip it. Flip the actual grip. Flip the grip around.
Oh, maybe that is
Yeah,
it.
cause look at the box and then look at how you were trying to put it in.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Yo.
And now let's attach this back.
Bada bop boom. Oh, wait. Yo, wait. What happened?
It wasn't even like this one wasn't even clipped off.
Wait. Yo. Bada bop boom. Pow. It's supposed to click into place though, right?
Yeah, I think.
That's what happens with these old Nerf guns though. These are this line of the Nerf gun is probably old, for all we know. So that just snaps on like that. No, wait. It's not fully on. It didn't even snap. Cause I heard it's like click into place. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, it goes. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now it's in place. Now he's adding the stock, which just goes like that. And now we can put the darts in for the clip. It's so cool. Like, actually, like, 'cause now you can see how much ammo you have without. Like,
and then there's still that secret thing.
Yeah.
Well, it's not really like the best, coolest secret thing, but
it's so good. I don't even know what it is. I don't know what it is.
Cameraman doesn't even know what it is.
Like,
so,
me personally, I want to see what the secret is here. I'll hold the clip.
Like I said, it's nothing special.
Look at these darts. I remember these when I have, like, I think I forgot which one I had, but mine was like powered. It was like one battery.
I was gonna get this one that you could switch between. It could be single, it could be semi, or it could have been full auto.
Oh, hold up, there's some darts.
I was gonna get that one, but they didn't have it.
Of course, because Nerf guns actually go out. Like, Nerf is such a like diverse company that like it's so cool. So you get all the you put them all in, right?
Yeah.
So wait, show the clip. Hold up. You could fit so many more darts in there. Like 4 more.
You can't.
You can't? Wow. Well, here we go. Time for to put it in the gun. Now, you know which way it goes in, right?
Yes, I'm not stupid. Ready?
Wait. Wait, yeah, there we go. Bada bop boom. Bada bop boom. Pow. Yo!
It is in place, bro. Yo, this gun is sweet!
Yo, I want to actually hold it for a little bit. Hold up. Yo.
No.
No.
Okay. So I'm gonna try and shoot it.
Shoot at the box.
See how it goes? It apparently shoots over 100 feet.
Boop. That's the 100 feet right there. Yo, put it on the wall. There we go. Like,
Now
sorry for
go
a
all the
mess,
way
by
back
the way.
here.
Yo, that's not even 100. Yo. It's tripping over here.
Ready?
Yo, that's gonna go right over me.
On
Yo.
the box, so like to see if I hit it.
Here we go. Test one. Yo.
Yo, that is sick.
Yo,
that hit it fast.
Yo, actually, like, the speed of this is like really like I could tell.
You feel me, bro? You're like.
Yo, it's like this is actually really good, and I hope that you can get this out again. Oh no, not again. You're gonna have to do it the Evan way. I remember one time I got the one.
Oops. It snapped out and then it came.
So here's a story as Evan tries to do that. We were like doing a Nerf battle. I got this jammed somehow, and it took us the longest time. But then Evan decided just to smack the side, and then you can hear the trigger go out. Like you can hear it like pop, and like we tried it, and then it worked. So like maybe Evan could work his magic like he did with the rival. So oh, now what? Oh no.
Well, I shouldn't have shot it, honestly.
Honestly, but that was just like first. That's basically what first impressions should be. You have to shoot it, but then again,
He can't get the thing out. He shot it.
yeah.
Pro tip, so.
And pro tip: if you shoot it and can't get it out, well then, don't know what to do. Just take off all the attachments. Don't tell me that you just did it. Yo, actually, I've never seen a Nerf gun that it's so hard to get the magazine out. I've never seen this.
Actually. Oh, I think it might need to be opened.
Oh my
Oh, yeah.
boy. Actually, it took us that long. It took us, like, literally.
I got it out without having. Did you see how easy it came out?
It's just like, whoop. Wait, hold up. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna load it. Ready?
Yeah, load it.
I think this is. Yeah, that should be open too. I'm gonna shoot it once. There.
Now
Ready?
yeah,
Look.
he opens.
It's so hard to get now. You open the thing. You press it. It comes right out.
That's
Smarts.
gonna be so easy. So like, if you're doing Nerf battles and you have like extra like mags on like a belt, it's gonna be so easy just to like do that. Open the mag just drops out, and then you just put in another one. So like, yo, it took us at least 13 minutes just to find that out. Now
Not 13.
12.
Is that how long the video is?
Yeah, we're going for like 13 minutes now.
Yep. Oh shoot! I forgot it was loaded.
Yeah, it's.
Look. Okay.
Well, we know how to do it now. So what's the surprise that you're talking about?
It's nothing special, but it's still good. It's nothing that special, at least.
Are you sure?
But it is a lot of it, whatever it is.
A lot?
Yeah.
So it's a quantity. Here, I'll just move this out of the way.
No, keep it up there.
You know what? Yeah, let's just put it like right here. There.
That sick shot.
Yo, this
Film that sick shot while I get this out.
this gun is so amazing. Actually, I've been wanting one for this for so long, but
Okay.
now we have one. It's gonna be so good. So
Okay, ready?
okay, let's see what this big surprise is.
It's nothing special. You guys are all gonna be disappointed.
But it's a good surprise for us.
Yeah, I guess so. Because we lose some darts when we do these
Videos.
videos for you. So this would be good.
Oh no! Oh my god! Well, how many darts?
I don't know.
Oh,
45 of these camel ones and 30 of these regular
that's
ones.
75 darts.
Hey!
Why? Yo, this is like we gotta. Oh, I have a good idea for the thumbnail.
We gotta open it.
Yo, actually, this is probably one of the latest unboxing videos for this channel.
Where's the key?
Yo, where did you put the key, Evan? Yo, what do you mean, brother? Don't tell me it. Amazing. Is that your key? Oh, I heard it. I heard it. I heard it. Yo. Yo, where is it? Actually, there we go. Time to open this bad boy. Oh, Evan, this is gonna be so good for like the box of ammo that we're gonna have now. All we need to get is what is it called? All we need to get is like extra clips, you know?
Yeah.
We should.
Well, we have to get those on like the internet because there's none at home.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, all you have to do is just look it up online. Actually, after this video, I might actually look it up, see how much they are. Maybe get even bigger mag size because you can get a banana mag that's like 16. That gives you a banana mag.
There's a drum mag that gives you it holds 35.
And then there's also the banana mag that holds 16, but it's like shaped into the banana.
This is 12.
So this
ready?
Okay, let's go. Okay, there we go. This is just like how we unbox stuff. Yo, to be honest, I feel like we should do an unboxing series. Like get like a PO box and all that, and get stuff like mailed here. And there's like an extra like slot right. Hold up, it's like an extra thing right there that no one sees. Like, yo, here.
I'm gonna ready.
Yo,
I'm gonna
here we go. Here we go. This is gonna be the best part of the video. Go. Oh. And it just like forms out. Oh, and then we can have like different teams, you know. Like we'll know who starts or whose, because like we have camo as a team, and then we have just a straight blue darts.
Yeah, but we don't have any other gun that does this.
True.
That's besides that little pistol.
Really?
That you guys saw in
the last video.
The last video that we made. Go check it out. It's a freaking banger.
It is a banger. Like actually.
And I still want it when I'm not spoiling it. That's like the best part of the video. So.
Yo, the ending of that video was probably the best ending I had in a video before. Like,
that's so much.
Yo, just
so freaking
hold on.
much.
This is probably gonna be so satisfying to do.
Oh
yo,
my.
actually,
bro.
Yo, get your ammo bucket. We can put it in there now.
Yeah, but that's gonna like overflow. Look at this. There's nothing really in it.
Yeah. Actually, there's barely any ammo as of right now.
All of this is in it.
Yeah.
Like, all that stuff.
It's just random stuff. So
yeah. So I'm probably gonna get this like Nike box down there and put it all in it.
Actually, that would be. Wait, where's that Nike box that you talking about? Like,
down here.
Yo, actually grab that. We should just put the ammo in there. Like, and I feel like a dart drop. What's in it? We could transfer that into another box. Probably keep the NERF Retaliator box. Put all that stuff in there, and then.
Probably should.
Yeah, that would be a great idea. Here.
I'll just take this.
For now, we'll just.
Here.
So, guys, what we're doing now? We cleaned up the ammo bucket. We got everything out of it. Everything that we didn't want, we put it in here. Oh, there's that NERF there, actually. So, here's another NERF there. So, we have all these darts as well as these. These ones came with another gun that we have over there. And there's also bags of darts. So, now we're going to be able to do lots more, like, NERF worth things. And actually, if you guys would like to, put in the comments if I should bring my NERF guns over here and we could do a NERF battle. So yeah. Also, Evan's back with the bucket, and now we're gonna put all of our darts in the bucket. So that's basically what we're gonna do, right?
Yeah.
So you're gonna put those in there. You put those extra ones in there, the green ones that I showed, and now we're gonna just grab these and just into the bucket like that. Oh, it's so wet. What do you mean?
Yeah, because I put it in water.
What do you mean?
Clean it out.
Okay, now we can put it in. We can just grab all of them. And
bro, you're not even filming it. I'll just do it.
No. That's all we're gonna do right now. Here, I'll just push them to you. Oh, there we go. We got more into that bucket. That's so gorgeous right here. Oh. That's amazing right here. This is probably the most Nerf darts I've seen in one bucket, but I've seen much more. But we don't have the money. So. Hey,
not yet.
Not yet. I can't.
Hey,
wait.
but we're at least starting.
Yeah, we're starter YouTubers, starting Nerf YouTubers that have this many darts plus a Nerf Retaliator, 2 Nerf rival guns.
This was freaking $40, bitch.
And that was like, what is it? Christmas, right? You got this?
Oh, I got that with my own money, bud.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I bought that a while
Look
ago
at
with my own money.
Actually, I'm gonna show.
Nerf rival right here. 40 freaking bucks.
You know what? Just because.
This is.
Just because of the type of video that we're doing.
This is like 12 something.
Just because of the type of video that we're doing, since we unboxed, we should do a Nerf show.
Those camo darts match my hoodie that I got for winning the championship. Kind of.
That actually, it does. Actually, since we're on this topic of video of unboxing a Nerf gun, here goes the darts on the ground.
All these Nerf guns over here. Another rival.
Here, we're gonna just do it. We're just going to do a Nerf gun. Yo, hold on.
I have this, but it broke.
Yeah, it feels bad.
It broke right there. And then I have this.
So right now, we're just gonna show off what Nerf guns we have right now.
Right now.
As of right now, we have an off-brand Busby Sidewinders. One of the things broke off. Here it is.
No, it didn't break off. It comes off, but I don't know where it went.
Yeah, we lost.
I got that like when I was 3, so it's quite old. But no, it's not on.
Next,
that thing was like $40 too.
Yeah. Next gun we have.
This was 20.
Hold. Next gun we have.
15.
Next gun we have is the what is it? The Nerf. Cyclone Shock. It's the Mega. It's good for
close range.
It's good for close range shots, but it does go down. So
it does hurt.
Yeah,
when you hit them.
It does hurt when you're like up close and all that. So next up we have
what? And this was like $15. This
next one,
Nerf rival Apollo XV700 was about $20. So, and I got a big bag. And when I got this bad boy, I got like 25 extra darts. And those are all gone.
These darts hurt up close.
And these ones, because these are the same thing.
Yeah. And then now we have a new gun to our collection. This is the Nerf Elite Retaliator. It is probably one of the best
guns.
Oh,
shoot, it's loaded.
It's always loaded, Evan. Hold this.
No.
Here. Ready?
Bro, this is like the beast mode gun.
This is probably the beast gun. This is probably going to be in the next videos that we have.
Tomorrow we're going to do hide and seek, and we are not delaying it. If we do, it's because we're stupid and high in the clouds.
No. Maybe because of the weather that we've been having.
No, we're doing it inside, bud.
Inside? Ooh, that's going to be even better.
Freaking home.
That's going to be even better. So,
and then we won't lose all the darts. They'll just be all around the house, and we'll find them eventually.
That is probably the best.
So I'm choosing this one tomorrow. I get this one out.
That means I get...
You could get any of those 4. I'm calling this bad boy. Yeah, bud.
So, time to the outro. Time to do the outro.
I love this already. Just pause it. Like, I just... There was the unboxing of the Nerf Elite Realtor and the 75 darts that we just got. The camo and regular.
Yo, this was such a...
This was a banger of a video. See you tomorrow with the hide and seek. Subscribe, like, comment.
Go out on what is it? Snapchat.
Follow me on Snapchat. Link is in this. No, not.
His name will be in the description as well as mine, the cameraman. So.
But if you don't want to look in the description, it is emekis3 is mine.
And don't worry, I'll put mine in comments. I'll put mine in comments. So until next time, I guess.
Subscribe, share with your friends.
Turn on post notifications
and we will see you tomorrow.